The harsh reality is this: more than 90% of traders lose money, not because the market is unbeatable, but because their mind is. This video is for informational purposes only and does not constitute financial advice. Always do your own research. This is CoinPicker, fully, where global markets meet clear, powerful insights. Welcome back, everyone. You're watching CoinPicker, Stream, your daily source for gold, markets, and breaking financial news. Most traders begin with confidence and excitement, but the moment real money enters the market, everything changes. The harsh reality is this: more than 90% of traders lose money, not because the market is unbeatable, but because their mind is. Fear, greed, impatience, and overconfidence appear like a cycle. These emotions destroy trader accounts long before price does. You know this feeling? The urge to click BUI or sell, even when you know you shouldn't. That is emotion taking control. Retail traders repeat the same mistakes because the human brain is wired for survival, not for trading. You chase candles. You fear missing out. You add to losing positions hoping they recover. But the market does not forgive hope. XAUUSD exposes this even more. Fast moves, violent spikes. Gold punishes emotional traders instantly. Every trader remembers the first time gold spiked against them. The panic, the disbelief, the helplessness. You tell yourself, maybe it will come back. Maybe just a little more. And this is where the real damage begins. You double down. You DCA. You increase your lot size, thinking you're fixing the problem. In reality, you're digging deeper. Then fear hits. Your hands shake. Your heart races. You cannot think. You freeze. At that moment, you're no longer trading the market. You're fighting your own mind. This is why traders lose. Not because of strategy, not because of indicators, but because their emotions control every click. You trade when you're angry. You revenge trade. You try to make back what you lost. This is the trap. Overtrading drains your account and your energy. You take trades you don't even believe in anymore. You switch strategies every week. You chase signals. You copy random traders. Nothing feels stable. And slowly, you start believing the market is against you. But the truth is, your psychology is. You stop thinking in probabilities and start thinking emotionally. I must win this trade. That single thought destroys accounts. You forget the plan. You forget your rules. You forget everything except the pain. Losses trigger panic. Panic triggers bad decisions. Bad decisions trigger bigger losses. This is the loop. Your mind screams, "Get it back!" This is the moment where trader psychology collapses. Revenge trading is not strategy. It is emotional desperation disguised as confidence. XAUUSD makes this even worse. Gold moves fast. It punishes slow minds and emotional reactions. When gold runs $20 against you in seconds, your strategy disappears. Fear takes the wheel. You add to the losing trade, thinking you can fix it. But you are only increasing the size of the explosion. No stop loss, no structure, no plan, only hope, and hope is not a trading system. Every blown account has one thing in common. The trader refused to exit early. Your mind convinces you the market will reverse, but the market does not care what you need. This is why traders lose, not because of bad charts, but because of bad emotional habits. Everything you feel inside is amplified when you trade gold. Every fear becomes louder. And deep inside, you know the truth. It's not the market hurting you. It's your decisions. This is the breaking point. The moment every trader faces. Continue the cycle or change forever. If you want to stop losing, if you want to trade like a professional, the change starts right now. This is where the darkness ends and the real process begins. To break the cycle, you must understand one truth. Trading is emotional management, disguised as a financial activity. Professionals do not fight the market. They manage themselves first. This is where the transformation begins. Rule number 1.
Rule number 1. Trade only when your setup appears, never when your emotions tell you to act.
Most losing trades happen because traders enter without confirmation. They act on fear, excitement, or impatience.
A setup protects you from yourself. It forces discipline when emotions rise.
Rule number 2. Risk small. Survive longer. Most traders blow up because they bet too big, too soon.
Every professional trader protects capital. Most beginners protect ego.
The market rewards those who can stay alive long enough to learn. Risk control is survival. Rule number 3. Protect your mind. A calm mind sees the trend. A stressed mind sees chaos. If you can stay calm when gold moves violently, you will see what others cannot. Because calm traders do not chase. They do not panic. They do not break their rules. They understand that the market does not reward emotion. It rewards consistency. This is why long-term traders survive. They focus on process, not outcome. They treat every trade as one tiny piece of thousands, not a life or death event. This mindset turns chaos into clarity and fear into structure. And from this clarity, a trader finally becomes something rare, someone who survives.
Every trader reaches this moment, the moment where they finally admit the truth.
The truth that the problem was never the strategy, never the broker, never the indicators. The problem was emotional. The problem was impatience. The problem was chasing shortcuts. If you have ever blown an account, you are not alone.
If you ever froze while watching a gold trade go deep into drawdown, every trader has felt that fear.
If you ever increased your lot size out of frustration, every professional has been there too. Here is the truth long-term traders never tell you. They were emotional wrecks once, just like you. But they changed. They learned to stop fighting the market and start managing themselves. They learned discipline. They learned patience. They learned to accept losses quickly.
This can be you, if you decide to stop repeating the same emotional mistakes.
Your trading future changes the moment your mindset changes. Focus on the process. Focus on risk. Focus on your emotional control. This is how professionals rise. Stop forcing trades. Stop chasing losses. Stop trading from fear. Start trading with clarity. Start trading with structure. Start trading with patience. When your mind becomes stronger than your emotions, you become unstoppable. This is how you stop losing and start trading like the 10% who survive. If this message helped you, subscribe for more me. Your trading journey starts now.
Stay ahead of the market. Subscribe now and follow CoinPicker for the latest insights.